Alright, here we are. Let's see if this picks up my voice. So here is a level in Requiem. Avenging Age. One of the Mean Streets levels. Alright, so I want to talk about visibility. Alright, so we just got some architecture here. Fake sky. Alright, so the Requiem engine used very cool visibility system. So you can see here, alright, so there's very little being drawn that's not visible on screen. So here's a good example. Alright, so I can't see down that hallway right there. But it's drawing down the hallway because, you know, it's trying its best. But at the same time, when I'm back here, normally you would expect all of the next room to be drawn because it's not doing that magical L-shaped hallway thing that we've been doing since Quake to cut down on visibility. Like, there's nothing around that corner there being drawn. Down here. See? Nothing around that corner. Alright, so how did this engine do it? Portals. So level designers put in these portals. They existed horizontally as layers and vertically as it was like a floor plan that overlaid each layer, and the portals knew what was visible via, you know, a standard BSP tree PVS, what was visible from what portal. So because these portals were placed by level designers, they're able to be a lot more precise with exactly what's going to be visible from where and whatnot. They're carved up like that because each sub-portal had to be convex for beep boop reasons. I don't know. And because Requiem started as a software rendered game, and we shipped with a software renderer, like we did full poly clipping, which was more efficient for software, way less efficient for hardware, but what you're gonna do. So I don't know, I miss portals, I gotta say.